Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add a watermark in the Canva. First, you need to open the Canva. After opening the Canva, you need to import the video which you want to add a watermark to. After that, you have to go to the tools option in here. After clicking on tools, you need to go to the text box available here. Click on text box and write your watermark, whatever you want to add. After adding that, enlarge it. After enlarging it, I am making sure that it covers the half of my screen. So after doing that, I'm changing its color, text color from here, and I'm adding it as white. After adding it as white, we have to go to this transparency option. Click on transparency option and make it a bit low, where you can clearly read it what it is written, but it also doesn't bother while watching the video. After that, if you need to make a duplicate of it and cover the whole screen, then you need to just click on that and click on duplicate here. After that, drag it down and keep it like this so that the whole video is carrying the two duplicate watermarks here. And if you want to add your logo, then you can do it. For the same, you need to go to uploads. From there you have to go to images. From images you can select whichever image you want to add. Click on image, and then after clicking on image, do the same with its transparency, and you can do it like this and then make it a bit smaller. After making it smaller, take it to wherever you want it to show, in the corner or in middle or wherever you want to place it. And the video is watermarked everywhere. So that's how you watermark your video in Canva. If you think this video has helped you, then please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.